child wants to study abroad, they have to plan it much before. Like if child is in class 12, we tell them to just start planning and preparing from class 9. Because when we go for application to we give application to foreign university, it is not only about your marks. It is about आपने पिछले 4-5 साल में क्या किया है, वो आपको एज अ होलिस्टिक प्रोफाइल आपका देखेंगे कि एकेडमिकली आपने क्या किया है, और उसके अलावा आपने को करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज या और किस चीजों में किया और किस हद तक किया है. So it depends. We tell children to build their profile and from starting from class 9. Now prepare for exams like SAT, IELTS, and they have to put their scores in their application. They have to show their achievements for last 3-4 years, what else they have done except for academic scores. Academic scores do matter, but that is not the only thing. The admission officer at a foreign university will look at the complete profile, what it is, what you have done, if you are good in sports, what kind of activities you have done in sports, till what level you have gone in that particular sports. Suppose a child is a national level player, so it gets him to the tier 4, and it gets a lot of weightage. And similarly, how much contribution a child is making to the society. Has he done some social work or something, or any kind of activity? Every child is a different individual, so they look at them, the whole personality of the child, their contribution in different fields of their interest, to how much level they are contributing. ये नहीं कि आपने certificates हर तरह के इकट्ठे कर लिए हैं, आपने music का भी कर लिया. At the end of class 11 and 12, the children start doing something if they want to study abroad. बहुत सारे certificate but that doesn't matter. Quality should be there. Quantity doesn't matter. Quality matters. So आपने जो भी किया है, वो आपने कितनी शिद्दत से किया है, अल्टीमेटली वो मैटर करता है. और आपका सैट स्कोर, आपके आईएलटीएस स्कोर्स, एसीटी स्कोर्स, ये सब मैटर करते हैं. और एज अ करियर काउंसलर, बिकॉज बच्चा जब क्लास 9, 10, 11, 12 में होता है, तो उसके ऊपर एकेडमिक प्रेशर इतना ज़्यादा होता है कि वो रिसर्च नहीं कर पाता. डिफरेंट यूनिवर्सिटीज, डिफरेंट कोर्सेज, डिफरेंट एडमिशन प्रोसेस. सो इट इज़ ऑलवेज वाइज टू टेक अ हेल्प ऑफ अ करियर काउंसलर, बिकॉज वी हेल्प देम बिल्ड अ प्रोफाइल. हम उन्हें बता देते हैं कि आपकी ये अगर इंटरेस्ट है तो आप ये चीज़ कर लीजिए, और आप अपना इस टाइम पे सैट अपीयर कर लीजिए, इस टाइम पे आईएलटीएस को दे दीजिए ये स्कोर, ट्राई टू मेंटेन दिस स्कोर. सो वी हेल्प देम थ्रू आउट. और फिर एप्लीकेशन प्रोसेस, देयर आर सर्टेन डेडलाइंस, यू हैव टू गिव द एप्लीकेशंस, यू हैव टू राइट द एसओपीज. सो अ चाइल्ड और पेरेंट अलोन कैन नॉट डू दैट. experienced and a trained professional is required, because ये हम रोजमर्रा में कर रहे हैं अपने बच्चों के साथ, तो हमें सब मालूम है, तो हम बच्चे को अच्छे से गाइड कर सकते हैं. तो स्टडी अब्रॉड अगर अच्छे से किया जाए, प्लानिंग से किया जाए, तो आप लोग अपना बहुत पैसा बचा सकते हैं और एक अच्छे कॉलेज में एडमिशन ले सकते हैं, रादर देन रैंडमली आप 11th के एंड में या 12th में जाके सोचना शुरू करें कि हमें स्टडी अब्रॉड करना है. तो इट बिकम्स बिट डिफिकल्ट. इट इज अ लॉन्ग टर्म प्रोसेस, एटलीस्ट फॉर 4 years.
We have the Russell group of colleges, which are the expensive lot of colleges there. They're similar in line with the Ivy Leagues, but on top of that, on top of that is the Oxford, Cambridge and London School of Economics. But there are also colleges, so there are a variety of colleges to suit your pocket. So therefore, the first thing we need to understand is what is the amount. If parents decide that they want their children to go abroad to study, so they should plan accordingly from a very young age, so that that money does not become an issue when the child is supposed to go abroad. If you need to take a student loan or any kind of loan, that you need to talk to the bank and see what your options are much before your child is ready to go abroad. So that at once, and you also have to fix a budget. So if I say 20 lakhs is my budget, then my counselor will help me to choose colleges within that 20 lakh tuition fee. Instead of you searching for something which is beyond, it is better to choose my options within what I have. That will make it much simpler and easier and more fruitful. The search becomes much fruitful. And there are, as I said, a variety of colleges. It doesn't necessarily mean that only the best colleges are good. All colleges have their strengths in different courses. So if you choose your course, if I say I want to do cyber security, then there are colleges which are not so expensive, but their cyber security course is very good, and you immediately get a job after you pass out from there. So that job's employability factor is not affected. So therefore, it is very important that the counselor is a knowledgeable person. So the two of you can decide, along with the parents, the student and the counselor can decide as to what would be the best option for the child. And as we were pointing at finances, you have to plan ahead. So parents who want their children to go abroad to study definitely need to keep in mind that the finances have to be arranged for.